Now you're trying to find out what's the matter with my person, right, Agnes? It's very easy. I'm successful everywhere where I am. I'm just not long enough in one place for them not to deny it, because everybody denies what's happening in another place. Everybody denies what they're not part of. So if I'm in Hamburg, people from Berlin would deny what's happening in Hamburg. If I'm in Berlin, people from Hamburg would deny what's happening in Berlin. If I'm in New York, people from Germany would deny what's in New York. If I'm in Germany, people from New York or USA would deny what's in Hamburg. So therefore you walk around now pretending that I wouldn't be successful where I am, and you are pretending that because everybody denies it, because you're all left behind, so you would decide what the truth is, and that's not the truth. And you know that yourselves. So, and what you're now trying to do is that you're trying to establish a state of being that you exclude me from being anywhere, so that you could pretend, because I can't be anywhere because you're excluding me everywhere. Then you can pretend that you would decide what my success is from pretending that the people that are not part of my life would decide that. You don't decide that. As people that are not part of my life, you don't decide it. If you're not married to me, you don't decide what my life as a married woman is, or whatever. So don't make fools out of yourself, because now we have seen that you were even unable to meet me at all because I'm just so sexually attractive. So you just had to prevent from meeting me so that you could deny that I would have any effect on you, which has been really a little bit ridiculous, you know that? And concerning Hamburg, there's nothing with Hamburg. I have come with my studies, with my academic career. I am until New York City from here. There are very, very few people who have reached that in their academic career. So I was gone from Hamburg for quite some years. I was in Berlin, I was in South Germany, or in Middle Germany. And then I came back to Hamburg, and people would deny what had happened in other places. So people would deny what happened in Berlin, and people would deny what happened in New York. And I have been successful everywhere, also in my studies. So I came back, and I'm just in a very, how do you say, compressed form or whatever. I'm just I'm just making up for some things that I had to put up to the actual state of my being. And also that's a point with my person, that I'm developing things and everything very quickly and very fast. It has always been like this, as well in swimming, as well in playing music. I used to play every week at the Birdland 20 years ago. I started playing jazz around 1995, when I was old enough so that I could go to the club. And I went there every week, and I was developing my skills so fast. Everybody noticed that. Also in Berlin when I was studying there. So now people are trying to pretend or make believe if I do something in Hamburg, that would mean I would be at the state 20 years ago, and that's not true. I'm just putting some things on the level where I am now, and I don't care if people understand it or don't understand it, because I'm just using them. They are not part of my life, and I don't owe this to them, and I don't owe them any explanation. I can just use them up because I have this kind of credit. So I was very successful already as a student in high school. Already from the age of 12 on, I was simply too young to have commercial success. I had commercial success as a student in an academic way, but not like making big money out of it, and that was not my purpose until I finished my studies. And I had such a good results in school. I had all A's at high school in Longmeadow, USA. I had the best degrees from all my class, from 100 people, in one of the best schools of Germany at all. Music school, high school with musical focus. I had the best grade that you could possibly get. And then I started my studies, political science and Arabic, at the University of Hamburg. And then in 1 year I learned to play the piano. I couldn't play the piano until I was 18. I didn't play the piano at all. I started learning the piano at 18. I learned in 1 year the program that I needed to play to get into the University for Music. And I had a teacher. He was very stunned because he said I was learning a Bach invention on the piano in 2 weeks, within 2 weeks. And then I went to Berlin for my studies, music studies. I came back to Hamburg because they have classical education and popular music education, and I did get my diploma from both parts of the education. And then I finished my studies in political science, economics, and Middle Eastern studies at the University of Heidelberg. And I did my internship in the institutions, European institutions in Brussels. And 2003 I did get a scholarship for New York City for writing my degree in music, which I did. And then I finished my studies in political science, economics, and Middle Eastern studies, and I went to Pacific Standard World Map because I was translating my degree thesis into English, and I wanted to prepare my dissertation in international studies, international politics. And then I had written my thesis in political science about the military intervention in Iraq, and I was analyzing the conditions under which the administrations of the 4 large countries, USA, Great Britain, France, and Germany, were deciding whether to go into the Iraq or not go into the Iraq. And then I was analyzing the factors that were influencing this, the constitutions and everything. And I came to the result that each administration would just go the way of least, what would just fit best for them with their cultural and constitutional preconditions. That was my hypothesis. And since then came the political intrigue after I finished my studies, and I wanted to go into whatever to earn some money. And then there came all the haters, because I had been in all places. I had been very successful wherever I went, and then the haters came because I didn't stay with anyone, you know. And so everybody where I've been, and everybody, meine Güte nochmal, fahren Sie denn? So I had been very successful wherever I had been, but I have left them all because I went further and further and further, because I'm educated this way, just to benefit from going one step further. So everybody who have been successful, but I wouldn't be with them anymore, they would deny afterwards. Oh no, that was not with us. Oh no, that was not with us. So that's the state we're in now. And then the politicians came, and they have to hide a lot of things. You know, that USA, Colin Powell, and blah blah blah. Condoleezza Rice. And then they had seen a picture from me where I was practicing on my pad in Mannheim. They have seen a copy from my thesis, Michael Brecker. Then he died, and then the hate came, and then it came from this. So people where I had been, but I wouldn't have been staying with them anymore, they would deny, and then the haters came from the politicians, and they were making a real political intrigue against my person from the state side. So where they were inventing wrong things about me since 2009. And there was this filmmaker, Tom Tykwer, who had a hate against me because he wanted to be so great, but he wasn't great enough in comparison to my person. And so he started to hate me, and then the politicians, they would try to invent something against me to protect him. They were very strong into protecting him, because he did get a lot of support from the state for making German movies, you know. And so they needed to protect him because they had put a lot of money into him in Berlin. So they were trying to deny that I had done my own studies in Berlin from 1996 until 1999. So they had to deny that, and people from Hamburg wanted to deny that I have been successful as a musician in Berlin. So they were trying to do this from both sides. So that's the reason why I went back to Berlin, and I showed them how my roots were there, right? And then we had some politicians, Merkel and von der Leyen and de Maizière and Gabriel and Steinmeier and Scholz and whatever their names are, Nahles. They are just doing it for their own, they're trying to abuse me for their own societal or political advancement or whatever. And they are just making up, so they started making up wrong things about me since 2009. And then they were trying to get this Mr. Jon, who was studying music with me before, to spread wrong things about me because he wanted to name me back then, and I didn't care because I was just doing my studies, and I didn't believe he would have been so great that I would have to date him, and therefore I didn't, and it was a good choice. And so this is the situation we are in right now, and I can only tell you, just don't even try to make up wrong things about my person, because that will not have any effect, not the effect that you would want it to have. And whatever you're saying, how I would be so unsuccessful, I walked directly into the heart of Mr. Young, and that's a very good success for me.